In the product definition phase, engineers often need to collaborate and iterate to complete the entire product design. At this stage, changes are frequent and efficiency is critical. Effectively managing the work-in-progress process, along with its results, is essential to ensure that engineering teams can collaborate seamlessly and deliver a high-quality product on time. ZW3D is designed to empower engineering teams to collaborate and manage product design data within ZWSoft's all-in-one CAX solution. A project usually begins with the creation of team groups. The administrator can quickly set up a new project collaboration area using predefined templates. By assigning members to specific roles, the administrator can easily manage their permissions within the project. Once everything is set up, the administrator can notify the rest of the project team via email. When the engineers log into ZW3D, they can search for existing design data and use the Open command to quickly download the model locally. If modifications are needed, the engineer can select specific parts within the assembly that need adjustments and use the Checkout command. After making the changes, they simply use the Check-in command to update the model. Using the Discuss function, the team members can quickly notify other stakeholders that their part is ready. They can select participants, attach files, and share data objects to initiate the discussion. When another team member logs in and opens the model, the Relevant to Me section in the discussion allows them to view the topics related to them. If any attachments were uploaded, team members can download them directly. ZW3D also enables group communication via the Reply feature, ensuring smooth collaboration. When the responsible team member accesses the assembly tree view in ZW3D, they can see that existing parts in the assembly have been updated. They can use the Sync feature to refresh the model and decide whether further changes are needed for their design. For assemblies, users can export the structure to Excel using the Export command, and then upload the file to ZW3D for reference. The Design Manager can use the Search function to locate completed designs and assess models and BOMs. Once the evaluation is complete, the Design Manager can update the iteration status to reflect the progress of the design's maturity. If needed, they can also toggle back and forth between design iterations. ZW3D is committed to ensuring data integrity, enhancing collaborative design, and promoting knowledge reuse to help customers standardize their work-in-progress processes. It helps capture and store valuable engineering expertise for reuse in future product designs. By driving innovation, ZW3D empowers companies to stay ahead in today's competitive market. To learn more about ZW3D, please visit our website or reach out to our sales representatives.